Welcome ever to my channel 1 Million with Tariq with a new fresh episode. I hope you had enjoyed some of my previous video and you are as safe as possible during this COVID-19. Today I would like to share with you some of the true story which has happened recently, and I thought it is a more relevant kind of a story that should share with you while preparing and making this designing your career episode. One of the guy, he has been received the notice from his company, and his company has asked him to find a job in 3 months notice. If I recall correctly, 3 months to 6 months notice. He started looking for the job. So he approached to several people, and the same guy CV received also in my inbox. When I checked my personal email and in my email inbox, I reviewed his CV carefully, and I realized that it is very difficult to understand that what kind of job he is looking. Don't forget that he has 20 years experience in an organization, and he is desperately looking for a job. When I reviewed his CV, the problem is he worked with a different position in the different organization. Unfortunately, I cannot describe in one single category that he is looking for, let's say, as a salesman job or as a marketing manager or as a technician or electrician or engineer or even let's say the clerk, or let's say that if you can define in any organization inventory controller, warehouse in charge, even the data operator. The learning I have from his CV, which I'm sharing with you, and hopefully it will help you to understand that where are you standing today. If you are in the same role what this guy has did last 20 years. Most of the time people are doing their job without thinking that what is the actually their job outside their companies. In their particular organization, maybe this role has been defined and created for him. So this is a very special created role in an organization. But outside in the corporate world, nobody will try and give you the same created role, or maybe you are lucky you will find the same role. Otherwise, it's very difficult. So therefore, it's important for you to understand that what is the future of your role in your organization. This is one point and one step. Also, what other companies and organization will treat you and will consider you on that same role. Otherwise, you will have a problem. If your company will give you the notice, or you decided to quit your job, you should know that next outside from your company what kind of job you are looking. You should know your designation. If you don't know your designation, if you don't know your job portfolio, how you will apply? You are not a Superman. Are you applying for a Superman job? There is no Superman job. So if today you know what is your title, that's great. But do you know the same title is exist outside your organization? If yes, then it's nothing to be worried. But if no, then you have to be worried yourself. This is a big problem. There is no guarantee that your service, your job is going to be continue till next 40 years. Most of the jobs are replacing with the females. For an example, if you are a male secretary, I'm afraid that this position will no longer will be exist in upcoming years. If you are a data operator, what is data operator? Why people will consider you that your job is very skillful? Maybe in the organization you are working, but if the same company will fire you and you will go to another company, you apply that you are applying for the data operator, it's very unlikely that you will get this, job. So if you are not specialized in your job, which will fit outside the boundaries wherever you are, it is going to be a big problem for you. This is a very important episode for those who are not understanding that what is their future or what is the limitation in their respective job. You have to find a way to expand the limitation of your job. Otherwise, you will have a problem. During this COVID-19, the post-COVID-19, we don't know what will be the situation. So you have to be very careful and ready to understand that where are you heading. If you are non-skills or non-specialized job holder. I hope what I have shared with you, it will help you. Keep watching my video. Thank you very much.